Today, me and my cousin, we are going to unbox this game called Language Safari Part 1, and we are just going to show this game and everything about it.
And how to play.
So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so we're in the video and
guys,
we're just going to cut this
you
with
have
scissors.
to open this with scissors, and when you are using scissors, please be careful because it's so dangerous. You have to do with your mom dad, but in video we have to do on our own.
But be careful because this
Okay.
you can cut your hands, and especially if you're especially if you're 3 years old, don't give this to 3-year-olds without permission. You know, we just need to cut this.
So this is my card. Okay, I have cut it a little bit, and then
We can just use our
take
fingers.
off the wrapper, guys.
Yes.
Do this.
This is fun. Okay, so we removed the wrapper, and now all we have to do is remove the box. Okay, so now we are going to open the box over
Let's
here.
see what is inside it. So it opens like this. Okay. And first we have a bowl. So let's see what's in it. And I'm going to open it. Okay, so here's
inside
one.
the board,
Here's a snaky type of game, and here's our manual.
yes, and
So we will read it ahead the video.
let's take all of these things.
And the next things in this box is these cards. We have
A lot of
almost
these
3
cards.
stacks of these cards.
And we have some dice and some of these. So now let's read the
Dice
manual
and-
because I don't know how to say.
So let's see the manual.
Language Safari is an educative and informative game to build your knowledge of words and improve your language and expression skills.
It's good for your mind.
Objectives: to improve vocabulary and refine expressions, to develop the understanding of words and formations and relations, to include logical reasoning. So the game. There's a playboard, and the playboard has a task to move around, as we can see over here. Symbols represent
Like
4 categories / topics, compound words, riddles, synonyms, and word meaning are also alternately printed on the back. These symbols are also printed on the question-answer cards, and there is a question against each symbol on the cards. Preparation: place the playboard in the center. Shuffle the question-answer cards well and place them in a back face up near the playboard. Make sure that the question side of the card is upward. Each player chooses a marker and places it on the space marked start. How to play. The beginning, all players roll the dice. Player with the highest number gets the first turn. Others take their turns clockwise. The first player rolls the dice and moves according to the number rolled. He/she lands at a particular symbol space. The player next to him /her picks a card from the pile of cards and reads aloud in a clear voice the question against that particular topic represented by that symbol. The following symbols represent different topics: compound words, word riddles, synonyms, word meaning. The first player looks at it or listens carefully and answers the question. If the answer is correct, he/she stays at the space and takes another turn, answers the question on the next topic, and so on.
Or she
slash she started from.
The card is placed back at the bottom of the pile. The first player to reach the space marked finish wins the game.
So these are the rules of the game, and now we are going to play them.
And we will just show how to play. So here is the pack and let's open the pack and take out all the materials.
And let's play.
So we will practically show you how to play this game. And
Yes.
here is so we are two players, so we will do with two. So here is the dice with the same numbers of Ludo and snake and ladders. And
You just have to roll the dice. I will pick blue.
and I will pick orange color. So you can choose your color whatever you want. So
And then we can roll the dice. So we
and
roll the
then you
dice.
have to roll the dice. So my first one is so 4. So I will move 4 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Present gift. So I will take a card from here. First, I will remove these rubber bands. Okay. And let's see. So I have to answer this question. Which of these are
Synonyms. Get, receive, give.
give? So I guessed receive. Now,
You have to guess with our synonyms to each other. These are
synonyms are receive and get.
Okay, let's check the answer on the other side. Get, receive. So you got it right, which means you get to stay on board.
And I will get an extra turn. Let's roll the dice and I got 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here is this symbol. So I'll pick a card again. And I'm a bird, but I cannot fly. I swim very well. So I think this answer is the penguin. Let's see.
You are right.
So I will get again an extra turn. So 1, 2, 3. So guys, one drill you can set up on yourself. Like if you want, after 3 turns of right, you can put the next player's turn or 2 or 5. That's your choice. Like we have put 3, so I have taken 2 chances. So this is my last chance if I put the right answer. So let's see. I have landed on the dictionary book. Let's see on this card. Okay. So a stand usually made of wood, used to hold painting or a board. My answer is canvas stand. Let's see.
It's an eagle, so I think it's wrong. Is it wrong? I think it's wrong because it wasn't the right name. So
Okay, it's
Now-
eagle, so I will go here because I said the wrong answer. That's not my problem. So you start
okay.
6.
I got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have this compound word, and I take the next thing. And the question is, make a compound word with the word wild. So my compound word is wildfire. Let's check. Any of these: wildfire, windflower, or wildlife. So if you can see over here, I was right, so I get another turn.
And it is 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have another compound word that I will take from here. And I looked at the answers, so I will just confirm. Okay. I looked at the answers again. I got the question. Make a compound word with the word coast. So I will choose coastline, and the answer is coastline. I got it correct. I get one more turn.
And it's last
Which
turn.
is 3.
So
1, 2, 3. I have a
this
present.
is your last word, so
Present or gift?
oh, actually you have.
Okay, so this is my last turn because we made that rule, optional rule, of course. And my
Okay, so
question
here.
is, I am a mythical animal with no. I have present gift. Sorry. Which of these are synonyms? Busy, free, occupied. Busy and occupied are synonyms. I was correct. And now I get to stay here because we made the rules about our last turn.
Okay, so it's my turn now. Okay, it's 1 and here is a compound word. So I will take this. Make a compound word with the word male. Okay. So I will say male post. So let's see. Mailbox or mailman. So
You are wrong.
so I will go back where I started from. So I started from here. So I will go back here.
So now we will play the whole game to the finish, and we will have a time lapse so you can see it in fast motion.
Sorry guys, I won and you can make one more optional rule, like if dice number is 6, so you can choose you will give an extra turn or not, because in this game I and my brother have decided, so it will not be, so we decided this. So
Yeah. So now this is a game
about
language,
you're learning language English knowledge,
and thanks for watching the video.
and
If you like
share,
it,
and
and
subscribe.
This is it for Language Safari Part 1.